Hello, friends. With us, we are having one of the stars of this recently concluded FMG June 2021 examination, Dr. Apeksha Borad. Welcome, Dr. Apeksha.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Dr. Apeksha, kindly introduce yourself and tell us about your FMG score.
My name is Apeksha Borat. I am a student of Qingdao Medical University, Shandong, China. I scored 200 marks in FMG June 2021 session in my very first attempt. Before starting, sir, I would like to thank God, my parents, and most importantly, this dream team faculty of Prep Ladder, without which it would not have been possible for me to get this score. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Dr. Apeksha, first of all, heartiest congratulations to you as well as your parents. I know your parents must be relieved and you have scored a wonderful score in the first attempt itself. Very good. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Dr. Apeksha, how will you rate the exam which you had attempted?
Sir, I would rate this exam moderately difficult. Like from score of 1 to 10, I would give a score of 5 to 6.
Okay. And how was the pattern of the questions? Many students get worried that there will be too many clinical questions, too many lengthy questions.
Sir, most of the paper had clinical questions. Like hardly I found like around 20 to 25% there was direct, or we could say one-liner questions. Majority there were clinical questions, but it was not at all difficult. Like usually all students are afraid of clinical questions. In fact, I find clinical questions very easy because we get many clues from the question. And it is easier to get to conclusion and right mark the correct answer. In one liners it's sometimes difficult. It's like either you know the question or you don't. But in clinical questions we have many hints in the question, which make it very easy for us to solve the question.
Okay.
So it was more oriented towards the clinical pattern, I would
Okay.
say.
Okay. Wow. That's a really good insight because we have also been noticing as teachers that almost in all examinations of India, slowly and slowly, all questions are turning a bit clinical.
Yes.
Maybe this is in line to the next exam, which may come in
Yes, sir.
2023 or later. Okay, Dr. Pecha, I'd like to
Yes,
ask one thing.
definitely.
How many
Yes, sir.
questions you attempted? Were you able to attempt all the 100% paper or did you leave some questions?
No, sir. I was able to attempt all the 300 questions, and in within the given time. And since there was no negative marking, I attempted all the question very confidently.
Okay, wow, this is so wonderful words to hear. I cannot tell you. When students are able to attempt the whole
Thank you.
paper, that means it's not just your speed, but you are accurate also
Yes,
because
sir.
you're able to move at a fast pace and attempt the whole paper. Wow, that's really wonderful. Well
Yes,
done,
sir.
well done, well done.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay, Dr. Peksha, if I may ask subject wise, which subjects do you feel were more in the paper or during preparation? Which subject students should focus more on?
Sir, like I would personally suggest everyone to focus on high yield subjects like patho, micro, pharma, medicine, surgery, PSM, gynae, radio especially. Many people tend to forget that. And these are the subjects like are all integrated with each other. I made these subjects strong, which helped me solving other questions of short subjects also, which came as an integrated question or some direct questions too.
Okay, Dr. Apeksha. Now we'll like to understand your preparation strategy because thousands of students are going to watch this video. So they will like to plan their strategy accordingly. So when did you start your preparation? What was your strategy? How much time did you spend on videos or QBank of Prep Ladder? So please share with us.
Um, yes, sir. Sir, I started my preparations from the month of February. I started full-fledged preparation from second week of April. I used to in a day I used to watch videos. After completing few topics, I used to revise that topics and solve the question bank for particular topic. And if I find any mistake, I used to improvise there only, so that I won't commit that same mistake in future if I come across the same question or same topic. I used to at least give a mock test twice a month minimum, because it helped me boosting my confidence and to know where I stand, what are my weaker subjects, and which subjects I need to focus more. Then I gave importance to previous year questions also, because it helped me to know from, like for example, from which particular part of any subject frequently questions are being asked. So I can make that topic strong. And since like in every question, sorry, in every exam, questions are being asked from that particular topic.
Wow, that is quite a detailed analysis. I'm sure your fellow friends, colleagues must have learned what are the tips to actually prepare comprehensively and for a successful result in the exam. Now, a routine question,
Thank
which
you,
in
sir.
these interviews we ask from
Yes.
every student I know, difficult to answer. Who are your favorite teachers and why?
Sir, it's actually very difficult question, because I found each and every teacher very fascinating in their own way, and each and every teacher have their own particular way of teaching. But if I had to pick, I would definitely pick you, sir, Dr. Vivek Jain, sir, then Dr. Sparsh Gupta, Marwa, sir, then Dr. Sonu Pawar, sir, and Dr. Prasanna Vid, sir. I found their teaching very interesting, and they presented the topic in such a way which cleared my concept at once, and helped me, like if our concepts are clear, it's very easy to solve the question. So I think that was the thing which helped me a lot.
Wow, wonderful. Dr. Peksha, now coming back to your strategy again, many students wanted to know with what frequency you solved grand test and mock test and how helpful they were in your preparation.
Sir, I used to during initial 1 or 2 months, I used to give 1 or 2 mock tests in a month. Later on, I switched to giving mock tests frequently, like once a week. Uh, like because during last 1 or 2 months, everyone are focusing on revision, and giving mock test will definitely help us to know where we stand. And even if and mock test is the time to make the mistake, I would say, because if we make mistake now, we won't commit that mistake in exam. So I think that is the important thing, giving mock test. And after the mock test, most important thing is reviewing your wrong questions, and not commenting that mistake again in main exam. I think that's the main thing which
Okay, wow,
helped me.
wow, wonderful. Okay, Dr. Apeksha, if you just focus on the PrepLadder app, any particular favorite feature of the app you liked of yours?
Sir, but like for me, I liked that Prep Ladder had that started that streak uh, streak thing, and then giving that rewards after completing the question bank, like completing 90% of the question bank. And then I think the stars which we used to get after completing particular question bank, actually that boosted me, because sometimes during our preparations we feel that today we don't want to study or something like that, but that streak thing is there in the mind now, that keeps us pushing, that no, we have to complete this, so we are able to achieve the target for the day. So I found that very motivating for me and very helpful.
Okay, wow, Dr. Apeksha. What I've learned from your strategy is you have highlighted the importance of grand test, mock test. You have also highlighted the importance of
Yes,
revision. Also, reviewing the
yes, sir.
questions after you have attempted the mock test or a grand test. Also, you have highlighted the importance
Yes,
of
sir.
previous MCQs. I was really happy to hear that you have utilized the PrepLadder app to the maximum. You have really liked the reward
Thank you,
section
sir.
where you complete the Q bank, you get the reward, the stars, and the target oriented
Yes,
approach of the app. Wow, that I'm sure
yes.
all students will definitely follow your advice and try to achieve a result just like yours in the exam. Now, in the end, I will
Thank you so
ask
much,
you,
sir.
do you want to give any tips, advice to the students who are coming for the FMG exam, who are going to appear for the forthcoming FMG exam? Remember, there will be many new students, but there will be a lot of students who have not cleared this exam this time. So, any advice or tips you want to give them?
Sir, I would like to suggest that one should make their own plan, because each and everyone have a different capacity, and making our own plan will help us to utilize our time in very effective in a very effective manner. And we should make our own plan and try to stick to it, and most importantly stick to one source, and revise from that source multiple times, because revision is the most important thing which helped me during for recalling each and everything in my exam. And I would say that prepare with full dedication, and review your weaker topics, find out your weaker topics, make them strong, and meanwhile don't ignore your strong subjects, because every topic needs revision. And like people tend to ignore their stronger subjects, and then when the exam approaches, they find that subject also a bit difficult. So we should, meanwhile when we are making strong our weaker topics, we should also revise side by side our stronger topics also.
Wow. Just like to summarize Dr. Apeksha's, I am amazed by the clarity of thought and your preparation, to be frank. What you have highlighted, I've understood that every student should make their own plan, use only a single source so that it is easy to revise.
Yes.
Third important thing is revise multiple times. Fourth, I think the most important is your dedication and hard work. And fifth, very important thing that you have highlighted, which I always tell the student, identify your weakness and convert them into your strength. Wow, this is simply amazing. Now, Dr. Apeksha, this is all what we have discussed, which may help the students. But now many students, and even I would like to know a bit more about you. So anything you want to share about your own personal life, hobbies, family, friends, college, any good thing, any bad thing, any mischief you have done, anything you want to share so that students can understand what kind of personality you are.
Sir, actually, sir, I was very studious, I won't say, but I was very dedicated towards my studies from like very first sem of my college. Like I used to do like time pass. We used to go to Rome and visit the city. It was definitely foreign country, new place, new people. So it's very adventurous. But when my university exams were there, I used to focus on that. Many people think that it's abroad, no one studies, it's time for enjoyment, and then when we'll go back to India, that time we will prepare and we'll study. One should not make that mistake. From very beginning you should keep your concepts clear and study. It will definitely help you in future. And I was my my family and all, everyone like were very dedicated towards the study, and they were like, for them, my parents used to teach me that study is the important thing. They used to say ke abhi pad lo, baad mein puri life maze kar lena. Because this is they used to say that it's your age, you won't realize that, but this is the age where you need to focus on your studies, and you enjoy your life later, or you enjoy your life now and then you have to struggle later. So they used to say it's your choice. So they are like, okay, you are smart enough to understand what's good and what's not. So they were like, and my parents really supported me a lot. Like in whatever it may be, they have my constant back.
Arey wow. Dr. Peksha, I'm sure out of the whole interview, personally, I enjoyed this last portion, and every student has a lot of things to learn from this last portion, where you said that, where you mentioned that you must, मतलब अभी जितनी पढ़ाई कर सकते हो dedication से कर लो, enjoy करने के लिए तो life बाकी है. You are absolutely right. You highlighted the importance of even the university exams when you are in a foreign country, and a student should be dedicated from the start of the course. Wow, this is something which I think should definitely help the students who are currently pursuing their MBBS in all those foreign lands. Wow, this is simply amazing. Now, Dr. Apeksha, you are currently based in Navi Mumbai, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you must be in a party mode since yesterday, since the result came out.
Sir, it was moreover, it's like lockdown over here. So we were at home celebrating with family itself.
Okay. Okay. See, what I'll do is next time I'm in Mumbai, I'll give you a call. We'll definitely sit together and
Sure, sir,
celebrate your
definitely.
success. And
Definitely, sir,
and
definitely.
let's both of us hope that this COVID mess is over soon and all the doctors
Sir,
resume their
hoping
normal
the
life,
same.
right? And
Yes, sir, hoping the same, sir.
and before I just conclude the interview, I must say heartiest congratulations once again to you
Thank
as
you
well as
so
your
much, sir.
family.
Thank you.
And I wish you a very, very successful career in the field of medicine.
Thank you so much, sir. I myself feel very honored to be interviewed by you because this was something which I never thought. I gave the exam, I prepared very well, and I knew that I'll get that much score that I'll definitely clear this exam. But getting interviewed by you was not was something which I never dreamt
No,
of.
no.
But
Thank you.
it's literally
Thank you,
it
Dr.
is
Apeksha.
literally dream come true because during my preparations I used to see that toppers interview and everything, and used to collect important points which would suit me and help me in my preparations, but I never thought that I would be giving one in future.
No, no. Thank you so much, Dr. Apeksha. Actually, I also like interacting directly with students, but due to this COVID problem, COVID mess, all live classes
Yes,
are being
sir.
suspended in India since last 1.5 years. And we have no other way
Yes,
but to
yes,
connect
sir.
to good studious, dedicated, successful students like you only through online media only. So I wish you all the
Yes,
best.
sir.
And I also wish all of you, your friends, family, yourself, everyone stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Really means a lot.
Thank you. Take care and all the best.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Take care too.
Bye bye.
Okay, sir. Bye bye.